Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we'll talk about 3 new effects in Adobe Illustrator. I'm talking about pass effects. So let's start. The first effect today is offset pass. This effect is used for increasing the fill. For example, I have this text and I can add any stroke and increase it. But what if I want to increase the fill? Select your text and open effect menu, pass, offset pass. Click on preview. Now I can increase or decrease the fill and make any text bold or thin like this. And also I can make the corners here round or bevel. The second effect today is outline object. This effect is used for adding outline stroke for any photo without background. For example, I have this photo and now I will open appearance window and click on new stroke, and now open effect menu, choose pass outline object. You can see it, the photo have outline stroke here, and I can increase it like this or change the color, and I can also click on expand appearance and ungroup, and now I can delete the photo. The last effect today is outline stroke. It is like outline object but for stroke. For example, I will make an stroke like this and choose any color and increase the stroke like this, and now open appearance menu and click on new stroke, change the color, and now open effect menu, pass outline stroke, and now swipe it under the stroke like this, and you can see now I make an outline for a stroke. Now for example, I will make the design by pass effects. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.